What's up, Griddle fam? Big Wes
and Belle
out here at the griddle, and today I'm letting Belle take over griddle duties because she's preparing her famous grilled cheese sandwiches. But today's sandwich is going to be a little different because we're bringing a bit of the Arby's flavor home with a beef and cheddar inspired grilled cheese sandwich. So we're going to get started. So we start out by using some mayonnaise on our bread. Next, she's adding some minced onion to the top of the sandwich and some poppy seed to sort of mimic the flavor of the beef and cheddar bun. And the mayonnaise side goes face down on the griddle. And she's just going to repeat the process again. Now we're adding 3 to 4 slices of roast beef to each sandwich. Now we're going to add some cheddar cheese sauce to the sandwiches.
like a cheese whiz.
It's like Cheese Whiz.
And just spread it on a bit.
So we're adding mayo and minced onion. And some more poppy seeds.
I think it's time to flip.
Got a nice browning going on. Our secret ingredient is Catalina dressing to mimic the red ranch sauce that typically comes on the beef and cheddar. Just open the sandwich up and add you some Catalina dressing.
I put it on the opposite side of the cheese.
And it's starting to smell like Arby's out here at the griddle. You can whip these up at home faster than you can hit the drive-thru. Everything's looking and smelling delicious here. Well, we're cooking these on 2 burners at low heat, so it doesn't take too long. Just might want to check each side as it gets brown.
I think they're done.
Like I said, these cook up really fast and they're about ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you like this cook, hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new content.